Hey guys, Versace here today,
You're
and
like, I wanna fuck.
and yeah, I so today I'm making a video about Skeptical AJ. She scammed my mantis off of her grasshopper, but it's all good because this grasshopper name is Versace Junior because it's adorable like me. So anyway, Skeptical and her ex name Insane. Insane's my best friend. Yeah, he's my best friend, and Rudy's also my best friend.
Blocked. Well, you won't even take it back. I see. Fine. And I blocked you.
She said, see, look, she's blocking me. She's blocking me. I did not do nothing to her, guys. Look at her, she left. She left. What is she doing? Why? Why? Stop
Bully,
scamming
bully,
people.
bully,
Stop
bully,
scamming
bully,
people.
bully, 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 bully,
You're a bully. You scammed me.
bully, bully. I'm trying to give you it back, Dumbo.
Look, guys, she's calling me names. It's it's Animal Jam
Dumbo.
family friendly. It's Animal Jam family friendly, guys. You better stop.
Take your freaking mantis back. It's ugly. I don't
She's
want it.
she's calling my mantis
If you
ugly.
don't accept this, I'm gonna release it. If you don't accept this trade, I'm releasing
Guys,
this. I'm
you
not
hear
leaving it.
you hear what she's saying? Fine, fine. Give me my mantis back, nigga. Give me my mantis back, nigga.
Versace took my cricket. He scammed my cricket. I'm doing a video.
I did not take her cricket.
I'm getting. I'm
We
bringing
did
my screen
we
recording.
did a fair trade.
You took both of them, so nope.
We traded. I got it on recording.